Welcome, here I've got Honor 9X Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. And now we can hear the sound. To turn it off, let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap here, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on capture settings category. Here we have the mute option, so when we tap on this button, we can turn off the camera sounds. Also another tap to turn them on again. Now let me keep this turned off, so when we go back to the camera and when I take another picture now, we can't hear the sound. Of course, we can go back to the right corner and use this button to turn on the camera sound again, and now we can hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.